Make the critical measurements needed for installing, testing, maintaining and reporting on solar panels or photovoltaic systems with one easy-to-use tool. Before installing a photovoltaic system, use the Fluke Irradiance Meter to determine the irradiance and shading at a site. This will allow you to assess the watts per square metre that the photovoltaic installation will generate. Once the photovoltaic system is installed, make sure it is operating as designed by measuring the actual power output. The Irradiance Meter combines with other Fluke tools to give you an IV curve of your power output. Even when installed correctly, a photovoltaic system may not be delivering the expected electrical production due to poor irradiance or panel deterioration. By measuring the solar irradiance of the panel, the Irradiance Meter allows you to validate if the electrical generation problem in the installation is due to deficient irradiation or due to issues with the photovoltaic system itself. Get all the critical photovoltaic measurements you need to measure, optimize and report on the performance of your solar panels in one easy-to-use instrument, the Fluke IRR1-SOL Irradiance Meter. Find out more at fluke.com.au.